Look at this equation. E power x plus pi is equal to pi power x plus e. It looks confusing at first, right? We have two of the most famous constants e and pi standing face to face. But guess what? There's a smart trick that makes it super simple. We know that formula a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. Apply here. Then we get as e power x into e power pi is equal to pi power x into pi power e. Write x terms to the left side, then we get as e power x by pi power x is equal to pi power e by e power pi. Then we write as e by pi whole power x is equal to pi power e by e power pi. Take natural log on both sides, then we get as ln of e by pi whole power x is equal to ln of pi power e by e power pi. Then we write as x ln of e by pi is equal to ln of pi power e by e power pi. Then x is equal to ln of pi power e by e power pi by ln of e by pi. We know that ln of a by b is equal to ln of a minus ln of b. Then we get as x is equal to ln pi power e minus l and e power pi by ln e minus ln pi. Then we write as x is equal to e ln pi minus pi ln e by ln e minus ln pi. We all know that ln e is equal to 1. Then we get as x is equal to e ln pi minus pi by 1 minus ln pi. And that's it, a perfectly balanced equation between e and pi. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget it to see my older videos.